Hello there, you're welcome to the next edition of creating sign up form using in MailChimp using the general forms. So in our dashboard, we'll go to the list and then we shall go to our list we want to use and go to sign up forms. And then we use this general list, we select. This is how our list is looking now. By the way, this is a continuation of the first. There is the first creating of sign up form using in MailChimp using general forms. The last time in the last video I used build it. So now I'm going to go to design it. This part of the form builder, it will help you to design the colors, the styles of your form. So we'll go at design it, then design it. Now you see this is how our form builder our form looks. This is how it is looking. Now I want to show you how this part works. So under the design it, there is the page, there is the body, the forms, and the monk rewards. Each of these works in a different way. Let's navigate the body, the page first, not the body, the page. And you should also note that every time you're editing, when you're editing something, the portion you're editing in this design, it will help you with the red highlight like this one. So now if we are editing, okay, we are editing the page, you see the pages is highlighted. If you're editing the body, you see this, it is here, there is a red thing around the body. If we are editing a form, you see here. So let's start with the page. This is the page. You can change the background. You see, you can go to the background and you can change the color of the background. You can even make it red. You see the color of the background is changed. So then we move to the header. You see the red thing. Okay, maybe red it will disturb us a little bit because the highlight is red. The one which shows you what to use is red. So let's take the background like blue. Okay, blue. You see, I went back to page and background, the color is blue. Then let's move to the header. You see this thing, the red light is moved around here. The header, can choose the font size is now 12, then maybe 12 pixels. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 22. See, it's a little bit bigger, the font size now, from 12 to 22. Okay, let's make it 24, double it. And then you can go to the line height. You can make it normal. You see, it's normal. You can make it slight. You see, you can make it half spacing, 1.5 spacing. You can make it double. You see, it is changing. Then the margin button, can you make it the margin bottom? It was 30. Let's try to make it 70 and see. You see, it is bigger now. Okay, let's make it 10. You see, this is the margin bottom. Okay, let's make it 20. Oh, let's leave it back. Let's take it back to 30. You see, the margin bottom is bigger. Then the margin top, let's make it 14. I want to double it to see the effect. And let's make it 7 again. Too small. At 30. Okay. You see, we've changed our blue, we've changed the headline. Header, we've changed the header, we've changed the background. And let's look at the outer wrapper. This is the outer wrapper. You see, this is the outer wrapper. From the we see it has no color. Can we make it gray? Yellow color. Can we make it green? What about if we make it pink? The outer wrapper of the header is, you see, let's make it green and see. You see, the outer wrap of the header is, remember we are working with the header show it red. So it depends on what we do. Whatever you feel is good for you, that's what you do. So let's move on. We are on design it. We've already, now we've designed the page. So what we know that this tab will help us to design color of the head background, header, and even the size, fonts, height, and then the wrapper, the margin, the margin bottom and top, and then the wrapper. If you're satisfied if the way you want it to go, and then you can go ahead. So, but this is for learning. So let's move to the body. Under design it, you see the body. This is the body. As you see, the red thing, the red highlighters come with the body. So the body, if you want, you can change the background and make it green. Okay, let's make it green, this light green. You see, the body will change to green. And then the default text. The default text here, we can make it normal, we can make it slight, half spacing. You see there is line height. See double, you can make it double. Then the font size. This is the line height issue. I don't know if the line you see is normal, is light, 1.5 spacing, double. So I leave it at double. Then font. So what font you want your default font? Default text. What font? Courier. Do you want Courier? Oh, Arial is like Arial. Arial, you see? This is the default font. This one. If you don't like that, okay, let's try another one and see. It's not too much difference. Okay, let's try this one. Let's use Arial. I think it's better, you see. It's better. Then the font size is now in 12. I make it 24. See, it's bigger. Let's check the color. Let it make it a little bit darker. Black. I think it's better. So the padding, can we make it 40 pixels? Other switch with on default text. So now let's go to the link style. Link style. See, everything is changing. So now when you've finished, okay, with this one we have seen how the body part works. Now on the design, let's see the forms part. Now this one, now we go to the forms. Let's start. It has all these functions, these buttons. So let's start with the button. As I told you, that when you every field you're working on, it be highlighted with red. So now you look at the button, you see how it looks. Now let's try to change the background of the button, the background color. Let's make it like this color. So now how it looks. Okay, it has not changed so much. Let's make it in green and make it like this. You see, it's now dark gray. Now let's take the text. Let's make it black. You see, the text is black. Okay, button hovered. This one, it means that when the subscriber hangs the clip on the button, it will change the color. So we can change this color to any color you want if you prefer. Okay, let's use red this time. Let's use red this time, red color. So you look like when the subscriber puts on this, it will change to this color. So that's the use of that. And then the color text, we can change the color, the color text to black. Let's take it to black. And when you see, it has changed to black. So with that done, let's go to the fields label. Fields label, right? These are the fields label. You see all these red highlighted. Okay, let's make the height a little bit double from what it was, and you see it is double space. Oh, okay, let's make it 1.5 space. See, it's changed. Then let's change the font family, Arial. Let's make it Arial because already this one up is Arial. Okay, let me for learning, let me just try to change. You see that this family, the font has changed to this one finally, but because I made it this one Arial, I just want it to be uniform. So Arial, I put Arial, now it's Arial, everybody is like Arial. So let's go to the font size. It's 16. I want to make it 28. Oh, it's big. This is just for learning because you cannot put a big sign-up form like this and people do it. Well, other people don't like something so big. Okay, let's make it 9. It's too small compared to. Let's make it 24. And then the text color. Can I make? Okay, I want to make them pink. Lovely. I want to make them pink. You see the way they look? Text color is pink. So now we're done with the field labels. Let's go to the field text. Font family, field text. You see, these are the field text where the people were. So I really like Arial, so I'm gonna put it with back to Arial. And then the color, I want, since this is like pink, can I put it blue? Yeah, blue. Yeah, so it will be blue. It will be blue. This kind of blue. This color is blue. If you check it to red, or pink, yellow, yeah, it will be yellow. So required field. Let's go to the required field. You can put the text in any color you want. You can change the color to blue, to green, whatever you want. Okay, and then you visibility. This is the color of it. If you want them to show, you see, this color is going to be for the for asterisks. You see these ones? You say I really want them to, somebody has to write in there these ones. Okay, if you don't want them, if you don't want visibility is not important, then you just have to leave it like that. Then required, you're going to require agent. See, you can show the indicates required, okay, or you can hide. Then help text, which color you want them. Can want them in red. Then alas. Yeah, so now we go to the monkey word. So in the monkey words or forms, you can decide which alignment. Is it the center? You see our monkey word now, it can be in the center. Before it was in the left. You can put it in the center. You can put it on the right. And on top of that, in the macro words, you can change the image of how you want it to be. You can put this one. Say if it's like that. Change image. You can put this. You can change this one. Put it the center. You see? So it depends which one you like. And when you finish, yeah, I think I'll use that one. Okay, as I told you that still this is a general forms, so we shall open it in the, let's see it in the, how it will look in the new. You take the this is how our form is looking now. So you can design it the way you want it. Of course, you don't need a big one like this, you know. Thank you for today. See you in the next video where I'll be dealing with the translated tab. Don't forget to watch the build it tab, because I want to hear from you. Thanks. Subscribe.